Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bomb Kitchen. Today I am making Thanksgiving special Indian style turkey meatballs, or you can say turkey kofta curry. I am going to share with you how I make it. If you like this recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get more notifications. Before preparing the meatballs, I will soak the poppy seeds and cashew nut in lukewarm water. I am taking 1/4 cup poppy seeds, 7 to 8 pieces broken cashew nut, some lukewarm water, they will become soft and will be easy to make a smooth paste. Leave it for 10 minutes only. Here I have 1 pound ground turkey, but I will take half. This is ready to cook, so we don't need to wash it. I am adding half teaspoon ginger paste, half teaspoon garlic paste, pinch of turmeric, half teaspoon salt, pinch of chili flakes, very little lemon pepper, about half teaspoon oregano, half teaspoon, celery seasoning, half teaspoon, parsley seasoning, half teaspoon, 1 chopped green chili and 1/4 cup finely chopped onion, 1/4 cup finely chopped coriander leaves or cilantro. Now we'll mix it very well. Okay, let's make the balls now. Size is totally up to you. I am making medium size. Our meatballs are ready to fry. With half pound of ground turkey, I am making 10 meatballs. Let's heat up the oil. Here I have taken some olive oil. You can use any cooking oil, but do not use mustard oil. I think oil is very hot. Keep it on medium to low and wait for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, now we'll fry the meatballs. Keep ready a kitchen paper towel to put the fried meatballs to absorb the excess oil. Leave the other side carefully because it's very soft. We don't need to fry too much because they will cook in the gravy. Our fried turkey meatballs are ready. Let's make preparations for the gravy. I have already pasted the poppy seeds and cashew nuts. Now we'll make yogurt mix masala. I am taking 1/3 cup yogurt or dahi, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon brown sugar, pinch of cinnamon powder, salt according to taste. We'll mix it properly. We'll add very little water. Okay, our yogurt mix masala is ready. Let's make the gravy. Let's heat up the pan. Keep it on medium heat. I have cleaned the pan, but I am using same oil, 1 tablespoon oil. Once oil is hot, add half teaspoon cumin seeds, half inch cinnamon stick, 4 pieces of cloves, 1 piece green cardamom. You can add bay leaf also, but I am not adding. 1 small size finely chopped onion and 1 chopped green chili. We'll fry the onion till light golden color. Now we'll add half teaspoon ginger paste, half teaspoon garlic paste. Fry them for 2 minutes. Now I am going to turn off the gas before adding the yogurt mix masala. We'll add some water. Now turn on the gas and keep it on medium. Saute it till the oil separates. As you can see, the oil is separating. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons tomato sauce. Keep stirring for a few more minutes. Okay, last one is poppy seeds and cashew nut paste. We'll saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we'll add some water for the gravy and cook the meatballs also. Bring it to boil, but make sure it is on medium. Now we'll add fried meatballs. Keep it on medium to high heat and cook them for 5 minutes only. Cover it. It's been 5 minutes. Let's check the gravy. Now keep the flame on low. Let's check the meatball. As you can see how soft it is. Now we'll add pinch of garam masala powder and chopped coriander leaves, half tablespoon. Mix it gently. Switch off the flame and cover it for 2 more minutes, then we'll dish out. I am just sprinkling little bit cinnamon powder and garnish with some chopped coriander leaves or cilantro. Serve it with naan, paratha, roti or steamed rice, whatever you like. If you like this recipe, try to make it. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Take care. Bye.